we're gonna start off with a clean shirt. Make sure that you put it in the wash before you start your tie-dyeing. So there's lots of different patterns you can do here. I'm gonna do the classic swirl. So you're gonna pinch right in the center of the shirt and you're gonna twist.
So for my shirt, I want a diagonal pattern. I drew a line across the center of the shirt with a washable marker so I'd have a guide, and now I'm just scrunching up little pieces of the shirt at a time as I go along up my line. Once you're done patterning your shirt, you're going to take elastics and make sure it's all nice and tied up and tucked in.
So now that we have our rolled up shirt, we get to dye it. So you're gonna follow the instructions that come with the tie-dye kit. You just add water to each bottle and shake it up. And then you're gonna squeeze the dye into the separate sections.
To help the dye soak in, you're going to squish it while wearing gloves.
I put it right here. No, my cat's coming. Go away. No. So then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side.
Now that you've dyed your shirt, you're going to take a plastic bag and try and get it inside. There you go. Now you're going to leave it in there and you're going to let it soak for 24 hours. And I will see you then.
It's been 24 hours. Sort of. Now, we're just going to open our bag.
And then you can take off the elastics and unfold your shirt. Now we're going to rinse out our shirt until the water runs clear. Once you've done that, you can take your shirt, put it on a hanger, and we're going to leave it there to dry. After that, we're going to wash it.